DJI FlyCart 30 FC30 Delivery Cargo Drone, revolutionizing aerial cargo transportation. The DJI FlyCart 30 FC30 DJI FlyCart 30 FC30 Delivery Cargo Drone is a state-of-the-art delivery cargo drone designed to meet the demands of modern logistics and transportation. Engineered for efficiency and reliability, this UAV, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, is equipped with advanced features to ensure safe and precise cargo delivery. With its impressive payload capacity and high-altitude capabilities, the FlyCart 30 FC30 sets a new standard in aerial transportation. Key features: 30 kg payload capacity, capable of carrying up to 30 kg, making it ideal for transporting a wide variety of goods. 70 L cargo capacity, provides ample space for large deliveries, enhancing logistics efficiency. 6000 m altitude capability, operates effectively at high altitudes, ensuring flexibility in various geographic regions. Advanced navigation systems, equipped with GPS and obstacle avoidance technology for safe and accurate flight paths. Durable construction, built with high-quality materials to withstand challenging environmental conditions. Long-range communication, maintains reliable communication over long distances, ensuring seamless operation. Specifications: Model: DJI FlyCart 30 FC30. Payload capacity: 30 kg. Cargo volume: 70 liters. Maximum altitude: 6,000 meters. Dimensions: customizable based on specific cargo requirements. Material: high-strength composite materials. Navigation system: GPS, GLONASS, and advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. Battery life: extended flight time with high-capacity batteries. Specific duration may vary based on payload and conditions. Communication range: up to several kilometers, depending on the operating environment. Operating temperature: designed to function in a wide range of temperatures, ensuring versatility. Advanced capabilities: precision delivery, ensures accurate delivery to designated locations using sophisticated navigation systems. Real-time monitoring, provides live tracking and monitoring of the drone status and cargo condition. Safety features, includes fail-safe mechanisms, such as automatic return to home and emergency landing capabilities. User-friendly interface, simplified controls and an intuitive interface for easy operation and monitoring. Environment adaptability, functions effectively in various weather conditions and terrains, enhancing its operational scope. Applications: logistics and supply chain, enhances efficiency in transporting goods, especially in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Medical supply delivery, ideal for transporting medical supplies and equipment to emergency and disaster-stricken areas. E-commerce, facilitates fast and reliable delivery of online orders, improving customer satisfaction. Agricultural transportation, assists in the timely delivery of agricultural products and equipment. Industrial use, supports industrial operations by transporting tools, parts, and other essential materials. The DJI FlyCart 30 FC30 is designed to transform the landscape of aerial cargo transportation, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. Its advanced features and robust construction make it an invaluable asset for businesses looking to optimize their delivery and logistics operations. Whether for commercial, industrial, or humanitarian applications, the FlyCart 30 FC30 stands out as a leading solution in the field of UAV cargo delivery.